Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at two popular tools for teamwork and diagram. The topic is Miro versus Visio. One is modern online whiteboard and another is classic diagram tool. If you are confused about which one is better for you, don't worry. I will explain it very simple way so you can easily understand. And before we start, please remember to check the description below this video because there are special links where you can get free trial and some discounts for these tools. So after watching this video, don't forget to check that out. Alright, so let's get started. First, let's talk about what they are. Miro is an online whiteboard and people use it for brainstorming, collaboration and team project. It feels modern, easy and made for remote teamwork. Visio is from Microsoft and it is focused more on diagrams, flowcharts and technical designs. It is powerful but more traditional. Now let's compare them. When we talk about ease of use, Miro is very useful and simple. You just open any browser and you can start adding sticky notes, shapes, images, and even you can get thousands of templates here. It feels very natural, like writing on a real board. And Visio is little harder for beginner. It looks more like a Microsoft Office and you need to know how to use shapes and connectors properly. So if you are new, Miro feels more easier. Now next thing is collaboration. Miro is built for teamwork and nowadays many teams work online from different places and Miro lets everyone join the board at the same time. But you can see other people cursor, chat and work together in real time. Visio can also share files, but it is not as smooth as Miro. It is more for creating a diagram and then sharing it later. So in collaboration, Miro is winner. Now let's move to the feature. Visio is strong for very technical diagram like network design, engineering chart and flowcharts. It has many templates of those professional things and Miro also has the templates, but they are more creative like brainstorming, agile workflow and design thinking. So if you are a designer or project manager, Miro feels better. If you are an engineer or IT professional, then Visio can feel a better choice for you. So now let's move to the pricing. About pricing, Miro has free plans and then they have the monthly paid plans depending on team size. And Visio is usually paid and it is a part of Microsoft 365. So you can buy it separately. Visio still feels a bit more expensive than Miro, especially if you only want a simple tool. Finally, let's talk about which one is the better choice for you. If you want modern, fun and easy teamwork, Miro can be a better choice for you. It is perfect for brainstorming, remote meeting and planning. But if your work is very technical like network, diagrams and detailed processing map, then Visio is still a better choice. So overall, Miro wins for collaboration and creativity and Visio wins for technical diagram and Microsoft users. So that's all for today's video. Now I hope you understand the difference and the work system between Miro and Visio. So if you think this video was helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.